Alright guys, so back with another video and yeah, I know I haven't uploaded something in a while. So this video is about concept football cards game. So yeah, let me show you what I have been building for the last 1 month. Yep, let me just fire up the server and here fire up the server as well. Right, so here. Yeah, so this is basically a football card game, and it's a multiplayer football card battle arena. And it's basically building your dream team with football stars from around the world, compete with friends in real-time multiplayer matches, right? So it's a real-time multiplayer. It has not 64. It has more than that. Yeah, so let's try to play the game. And here, let me enter player one and create new game. And yeah, I mean, this is basically a test environment. So don't expect everything to be perfect. Like I said, this is just a concept kind of thing. So when more than one player joins the game and the host starts, you get to choose the formation. So either you can choose a 2-1-1 or 1-2-1 or a 1-1-2, right? So suppose I choose 2-1-1 and the formation prompt is there for the other player as well, or n number of players, whoever. The max is 4 currently. And yeah, let me choose this one. And so as you can see, the players are given 5 cards in the formation that they have chosen. So 2-on-1, 2 defenders, 1 midfielder, and 1 forward, and a goalkeeper, right? So this is completely random, and player two has chosen 1-to-1, right? So 1 defender, 2 midfielders, and 1 forward. And as you can see, there's a team rating and a team chemistry for each of the players, as you can see. And here, if you observe, the chemistry here is less, the chemistry here is more, because randomly, as you can see, this blue line that connects the defender with the midfielder and the forward. So these so this is kind of like a synergy that these players have between them, and the goal of the game is to at the end of all rounds, the player with max points wins the game, right? And each player has 60 seconds to make their choice. So let me go ahead and pick a card. Okay, Rafael Guerrero. So if I pick a card, I have to give back a card, right? So I have to maintain the chemistry as well as the team rating. So team rating is the total score of the individual ratings. Um, and I have to maintain the chosen formation at the end of the round for additional bonus points. So here, if I let me just give these back. So here I have, another chemistry, but my team rating has, I think, dropped a bit. Now time for player one to play. Let me draw a card. These images are not that accurate. Okay. As I said, this is a POC and not in production. So you can see localhost. Okay, let me give back this. So I have literally no chemistry and team rating of 407, right? Which is bad. So I have to upgrade this in the coming rounds, right? And since it's a card game, it is more of a chance kind of a game, but you have to know which all players have this kind of synergy. So as you can see, I have a very good chemistry right now, and yeah, I think I can give back this guy who I don't have any chemistry with. So the chemistry has again increased to 105, right? So this is kind of like the core gameplay, and I'm trying to add more features to it where you can see the player attributes, as in like information kind of thing. Um, yeah, and also this works only for desktop currently. You cannot have it run on mobile. It's not mobile friendly as well. So It's only playable on desktop. Let me know in the comments that if you want to try this out, I can maybe host this uh, on a server, and maybe we can play together. But yeah, this is the the till what I have developed. I'll be updating this game in the coming weeks. So let me know in the comments what all features that you think should be a good addition to this game. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.